TripAdvisor named Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya the #1 hotel in the entire world in its 2025 Traveler's Choice Awards. Not the #1 all-inclusive. Not the #1 in Mexico. The #1 hotel on the planet, out of millions of properties reviewed by travelers everywhere. That is an enormous claim for a resort sitting on a quiet stretch of coastline over an hour south of Cancun. So the obvious question is whether it actually earns that title, or whether it is riding a wave of hype that will not last. This is the honest answer. Secrets Akumal is an adults-only, all-inclusive resort on Akumal Bay in the Riviera Maya, part of the Hyatt Inclusive Collection and rated AAA 5 Diamond. Akumal is a Mayan word meaning place of the turtle, and that name is not decoration. Green sea turtles genuinely feed in the shallow water right off the beach, and guest reviews consistently describe snorkeling and paddleboarding straight from the sand alongside them, with no boat and no excursion fee required. It is one of the few wildlife experiences in the Caribbean that actually delivers on what the brochure promises. The design leans understated rather than flashy. Winding paths move through native jungle planting toward secluded pools, the water in the bay itself is unusually calm and swimmable even by Riviera Maya standards, and the overall feel guest reviews return to again and again is romantic and peaceful rather than loud or high energy. If your idea of a great vacation involves a big pool scene, a nightclub, or constant organized activity, this is not that resort, and it is not trying to be. On dining, guests have access to a spread that includes an international buffet alongside a la carte restaurants covering French, Italian, seafood and Pan-Asian cuisine, plus a lobby bar with custom cocktails and panoramic views for evenings in. One detail that comes up repeatedly in recent reviews, the food is consistently rated as a highlight rather than an afterthought, with specific praise for the seafood grill and for room service standards that are unusually high for an all-inclusive. Preferred Club is the upgraded tier here, and it buys a private check-in lounge, a dedicated pool and beach area, and a few service perks layered on top of the standard experience. Based on how guests describe it, the upgrade earns its price mainly on special occasion trips or longer stays, where the extra privacy and attention compound over several days. For a short trip or a tighter budget, the standard experience already includes the things that make this resort what it is: the beach, the turtles, and the dining. Beyond the beach, the resort runs a full wellness circuit that guest reviews mention almost as often as the turtles: a spa with sauna, steam room and bracing cold showers, plus a fitness facility. Room categories range from entry-level suites up to swim-up and ocean view categories, and recurring feedback describes the rooms themselves as spacious and comfortable. Because this is a Hyatt Inclusive Collection property, a stay here also earns and can be redeemed through World of Hyatt. Now for the 3 honest things worth knowing before you book. First, recent guest reviews describe real pressure at check-in to purchase a room upgrade on the spot, sometimes framed urgently and for a meaningful amount of money. Go in prepared to politely decline if your original booking already suits you. Second, this is genuinely remote. It sits 75 to 90 minutes south of Cancun Airport, well past Playa del Carmen. Third, a handful of recent reviews mention maintenance issues in specific rooms, worth requesting be addressed at check-in if it comes up. On price, Secrets Akumal sits in the upper tier for the Riviera Maya, but well below the true luxury properties on this same coast. The saving tip that consistently works here: compare the direct rate on the resort's own site against third-party booking platforms before you commit, since resort credits and dining packages are frequently published directly and do not always reach the platforms. So does it deserve the #1 hotel in the world title? The honest answer is yes, with caveats. It is not the biggest, the most modern, or the most photographed all-inclusive on this coast. But for a couple who wants a calm, elegant adults-only escape built around one genuinely rare experience, snorkeling with sea turtle steps from your room, with no dinner reservations to manage and no lines to fight for a lounge chair, very little in the Riviera Maya comes close. Handle the check-in upgrade pitch with a polite no if you do not want it, plan for the longer transfer, and this becomes exactly what its reviews say it is. Who is this actually right for? Based on the pattern across recent reviews, it consistently earns its highest praise from couples celebrating something specific, anniversaries, honeymoons, milestone birthdays, who want a quiet, romantic pace rather than a packed schedule of activities. Reviewers traveling for a big group getaway or a high-energy party trip tend to rate it lower, simply because that is not what this resort is built for. It is also worth comparing this resort honestly against its closest sibling properties in the area. What sets Akumal apart is entirely the bay itself. The combination of calm, current-free water and a resident sea turtle population is a geographic feature, not something any resort added. Is the #1 hotel in the world hype, or does it hold up? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. If this helped you decide, subscribe to Punta Cana Todo Incluido, because that is exactly what we do here, honest rankings and real reviews of Caribbean and Mexican all-inclusives, so you book the right resort the first time. Travel smart, and I will see you in the next one.